hear the thunder roar? Can't you hear the lonesome wind moan? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Yeah, tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? You been gone so long now. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Well, scratching in my door, Lord knows I can hear that lonesome wind moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Guitar. Somebody said they saw you roaring up in Reno with a big old cowboy from San Antonio. Tell me I'm a fool to cry. What the hell do they know? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? You been gone so long now. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? The wolf is scratching at my door, Lord knows I can hear that lonesome wind moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Ain't nothing I wanna do, well I guess I could go get stoned. Let the past paint pictures in my head. Kill a bottle of fruity blue wine, try and write me a sad, sad song. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? You been gone so long now. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? The wolf is scratching at my door, I can hear that lonesome wind moan. Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? Tell me, baby, why you been gone so long? That got my heart beating.
Pardon my French, but yeah, we're going now. We just got started and we're already going. Hey, this week we have my good friend Bartt as our guest artist, and we're coming to you from Bob's Toyota. Obviously, it's Carmine's Country Corner. The other obvious thing is that we're going live at 3 o'clock, from 3 to 4, because I have something else I have to do, and so we put the show at 3 today. Now at 6 o'clock, my daughter Kim will rerun the show for those of you who don't see this and want to check in at 6.
For those of you
You'll
like
see
me
the show.
who just barely got up.
Yeah, well,
I just opened my eyes 45 minutes ago.
typical musician. Anyway, I got up, yeah, I did pretty good. So anyway, it's Christmas time, so we got the place kind of decorated. Bart came in last week and worked the camera for us because Dan didn't show up. and then he got up just off the cuff and did some stuff with us that was great. Hey, Joe. Joey, as I call you. Good to see you, sir.
Hey, Joe.
And y'all, what's your name again, honey? Yvonne? Oh, God, I should remember that. Bart's wife, Yvonne, is here, and thanks for coming. We appreciate having you. So, Bart, what are you going to do for us?
I thought I'd play some guitar and sing a little bit.
Well, why don't you start now?
Kind of like what Elvis said when they asked him what his new movie's about.
What was that?
He said, I'll sing some songs, I'll chase a few girls.
And then, that's the whole movie.
So I'll sing a few songs, just chase one girl, but I already caught her, so I'll just do the songs now.
I like it.
Let's do one you never heard of before. Honey, don't, eh? Not A, honey, don't, E. Just, honey, don't. You say you will when you won't. Say you do, baby, when you don't. Let me know how you feel. Tell the truth now, is love real? Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Don't say you will when you won't.
That's where you were going.
Well, you know, I wrote that song a long time ago.
Sorry if I changed your arrangement.
No, that's... You
See there, these guys are on their toes. They watch each other and then they jump up and down. Anyway, okay, which is good. Part of the act. Hey, we're coming to you from Bob's Material. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Started the show a little early today, but we're having fun doing it there, the Christmas bells. I love it. I got my daughter, Kim. She's the only one in the house at the controls and the camera today. She was trying to show me how to do everything, you know?
What have you learned so far?
Less. Yeah, I know less now than I thought I knew. I'm erasing everything I thought I knew.
You know Les Paul?
Yes, I met him once, and that was it.
Les Paul and more Carmen.
Yeah, Les Paul and more computer stuff over my head. Anyway, do one more.
One more?
Yeah, you're the guest artist.
Fine. All right. Let's do
Hey, I got a flash for you. I understand that John Palmer's going to sing a song tonight. Can you believe it?
Hot dog.
He's been working with us for almost 5 years doing this gig, and I'm finally getting a song out of him. Woo! Well, I'm excited about that, Johnny. You don't know. I know. Get ready. Put your collar on.
Look good.
Absolutely. You do look good.
ties.
Best looking guy in the band.
Anyway, you build up John like that, and then I gotta sing. Oh, let down. But we'll get to you, John. Let's do one more last chance in the key of A. Let's just keep going until Carmine turns his guitar on. She was standing at the front door when I came in last night. A good book in the left hand and a rolling pin in the right. Well, she said you come home for the last time with whiskey on your breath. If you don't listen to my preaching, boy, I'm gonna have to beat you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Crazy, baby, it's the best that I can do. We're just good old boys, we'll make a noise. I ain't been running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're free. Go First she hit my glasses, 'cause she knows that I can't see. She said you ain't going nowhere, boy, till you spend a little time with me. The boys called from the honky-tonk, said there's a party going on and Lynn. Well, she might have took my glasses, but she forgot about my old jump here. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby, it's the best that I can do. We're just good old boys, making noise, I ain't running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say one more time. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
You know, if I was any younger, I would jump up and down at the end of the song, but I know I can get up. The other part scares me, you know, coming down. That could be tough. Anyway, so a funny thing happened yesterday. I always tell these little stupid stories. Silly, I'll call them silly stories. Anyway, I'm talking to a friend of mine. I won't say who he was. Great guy. And his lovely wife was with him. And I'm talking about this third fellow, this guy I knew, who builds, his specialty was he builds swimming pools in like high rises, you know.
Sure.
And he had a really big company. This guy was well respected. He was probably the #1 guy in the industry. He did them all over the world, and he was really a good guy. So to be funny, I said to my friend I was talking to, I said, so I had to ask him, how do you get the swimming pools up that many floors and not spill any water? And his wife, who is just an angel, blurted out. She said, no, they don't fill it till after they're done doing the work. Anyway, I feel a bit like I'm making fun of her, but it was just kind of a moment thing where she was caught off guard. You know, she just, had to say it, in other words. But
I think that sometimes your humor is very dry.
I know.
Very dry.
Yeah,
dry
very
humor.
dry, no water, yeah. And so they do it after they.
Thank you.
Let it
Thank you
make-
very much, everybody.
Now, I hope they're not.
Try the veal.
I hope they're not watching the show, but it was so funny. I mean, her husband and I couldn't stop laughing. And she felt a little, but she was cool. She's a great lady. Anyway, I probably shouldn't have told that story. God forgive me. All right, could do another one.
I gotta keep doing them. All right, later on. I'm gonna switch over to that acoustic guitar.
Whatever you
But
want.
right now, we'll do
your
a
show.
You know what? The most country song of all. John insisted on doing this song. He wants to do Bebopalula
Do it.
in the key of. Let's do it in the key of C. We're gonna do country style, Paul. You ready? I don't know what that is, but
We'll find out.
John's gonna start us off and set the groove for us, Johnny.
I'm going to play along.
She's a woman that I know. She's the old lady, love me more and more and more. Bebopalula, she's my baby. Bebopalula, well, I don't mean baby. Bebopalula, Carmine, play that guitar. If you know what I mean. She's a woman that I know. She's a woman love me more, more, more. Bebopalula, she's my baby. Bebopalula, I don't mean baby. Bebopalula, she's my baby. Now I think I'll play with it. Country than that. Bob Wills wrote that song.
Hey, they're selling Christmas trees right outside our door here, and Bob Smith, not Bob Smith, Ron Smith, Christmas trees. I've been buying trees for him for over 50 years.
The same tree?
Sometimes. I don't know, they probably reissue them,
And you say he's not related to Bob Smith?
He's not related to Bob Smith, just happens to have the name. But he worked with Bob Smith for like 20, 30 years selling cars. And yeah, Ron Smith, good guy. Come on up here, 3322 Foothill, and buy yourself a Christmas tree. I even think he's giving discounts.
Well, you know what they say about Ron Smith and his Christmas trees, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah. His wife is.
He'd give them away, but his wife won't let him.
You brought that up. That's good. Paul.
Yeah.
He already did a couple. Do one.
I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. This pace is it's getting to my heart.
Me too. I'm already tired.
Key of D, 5511, Wild Side of Life. 2, 1, 2. You wouldn't read my letters if I wrote them. And you ask me not to call you on the phone, but there's something I'm wanting to tell you. So I wrote it in the words of this song. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angels. I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life. Oh, the glamour of the gay nightlife has lured you to the places where the wine and liquor flow, where you wait to be anybody's baby and forget the truest love you'll ever know. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angels. I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angels. I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life. And went back to the wild side of life.
Well, that's a good song, isn't it?
Yes, it is. That's a Hank Thompson classic right there.
Somebody run some water. Can you grab me water there?
Okay, John's getting rid of this thing because...
You smashed his light.
That's okay. John's getting rid of this thing because he asked for some water.
I need some water.
That's a good sign.
Go. You gotta give me your mic when you're ready.
You ready now?
Okay,
Ooh.
here it is.
All right, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Screw that the way you want it. Hey, can I steal one of your jokes?
Anything you want. The last one I told him wasn't sure about, but it was a true story.
So there's this lady on my street, right? She's talking to the fireman, and the fireman said, you know, we need to make the addresses a little bit larger on the street so we can see them. And she says, well, why don't you just go to the house that's on fire?
What are you worried about?
All right, we're just trying to, so these, yeah,
Hey, we're following you guys.
you're following us.
We're in A.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, ah. I raise the highest mountain, train the 7 seas, just to have you, honey, standing next to me. I'd lie, cheat, and steal. I get on my knees and kneel. Fix you on my I set the car alarm off. I set the car alarm off.
Good. I'm glad.
Hey, that was great, John.
Johnny. Oh, okay now.
John Palmer singing his hiney off there. What a great job that was.
Who did that song?
Ronnie Dawson.
Wow. I know. Does Rick Bryn do it?
Pardon me?
Who did it?
Ronnie Dawson.
Oh,
Good friend of mine. I stole it from him.
That's
great song. Good rocking, nice comfortable feel.
He wrote it too.
You know, I'm gonna have to look that up. I always assumed that he did.
I
But
fe-
he didn't write a lot of songs, you know. But I got a couple that he did write. I'll sing them later if you guys want to learn those.
Love to. I want to learn everything you know, and I want you to do it.
There's not a lot of them, I can tell you that.
I feel like I've heard that song before, so it was
just
custom.
hasn't got that kind of a sound.
It was
No? It was kind of a hit.
kind of a maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. It's the kind of song you might think you've heard.
He was a
before,
hillbilly. He didn't record it. He recorded it in somebody's garage. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well,
Wasn't over there.
haven't we all?
Records.
I love it. That was great.
we've all recorded in somebody's garage somewhere. I remember Gary Paxton back in the 60s, early 60s. He rented a house and he drilled a big hole from the upstairs bedroom, like pretty big, because he ran a bunch of wires down to the control room, and I think the control room was downstairs and the studio where they sang was upstairs. On Coinga, I think
Sounds
it was
right.
on Coinga, yeah. And he was the first guy before Wally Hyder to have a portable bus studio.
Yeah.
Gary Paxton did it first.
Gary Paxton.
Gary was the guy. Anyway, I can tell you a whole bunch of stories about him, but nobody cares, and it doesn't matter. Anyway, so who just did one? John, you were great.
Yeah.
God, man, this guy can
Great.
sing when he wants to. Beautiful.
Yep.
So, want to flip a coin, or you guys want to decide who wants to do one next? I'll leave it up to you guys.
I got one.
Okay,
got
go
one?
ahead. I'm going to switch to acoustic afterwards, so
Okay.
Okay.
tell a joke while I do that.
Gone.
Good song.
G?
G. Let's go all the way around. A 1, 2, a 1, 2. Well, she swore if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Just look at the trouble I'm in. Now she's gone. Crying, wondering about that I cried. Faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Second farther from me. Yeah, she's gone.
Good job on that beat bender, baby.
All those hours of rehearsing paid off.
It paid off, absolutely. So yeah, we're coming to you from Bob's Material. We're selling Christmas trees out there. Come see Ron Smith, 3322 Foothill in Aqua Center, and come on up and buy a Christmas tree. He's going to be here, see, this weekend, and then next weekend we're doing kind of a Christmas show. The brothers are coming up, and some of the family. If anybody on your side that wants to come, we'd love to have them, Paul.
Maybe we could get some little kids.
Oh, I'd love that. Absolutely.
Maybe we can get Ollie and Isla up here.
Let's do it. Great.
See what we can
And
do.
your lovely wife, and of course, Yvonne, you're more than welcome. We're going to have like cookies and little things to eat, and I'm going to have a lot of people, quite a few anyway.
Cookies and things to eat.
Things to
So
eat.
Those are two different categories.
Well, you could, sometimes people take them home and they don't eat them here, so I kind of say you can eat them here or you can just take them home. It's up to you. So anyway.
You know, one of these days I'm gonna come up with a joke that you can tell on stage that lasts exactly how long it takes for
Takes
a
the
guitar
tune.
player. Yeah.
Yeah, but everybody takes different lengths of times.
Well, we'll have to change
So
that.
we'll have to fix that. I never really thought about tuning. You know what I do? After a while, I just stop tuning. I mean, you know, you can't spend the whole night tuning your guitar. You gotta just play.
Well, I do that
It
too.
sounds a little more like jazz
I just changed your strings
when we don't
yesterday,
tune.
so,
That's all right.
Oh.
That sounds beautiful. God, that's a nice sound. Good job.
Well, you know where I got this guitar?
No.
This is a 1936 Oahu 69K Spanish down neck. It's the only one left in the world.
Wow.
And this belonged, I got it off of a Norman Blake.
Really?
And he played it on a lot of Johnny Cash stuff, so I was thinking, well, heck, we should honor Norman and play a Johnny Cash song.
I love that. Okay, well, keep. See?
Key of Be Quiet. Let's do,
People have told me that many times. Believe me.
let's do it in C, because then I don't have to keep, let's do, I Still Miss Someone. It's a great song. Okay, Carmine's tuning, so I'm not the only one. Good.
I'm not way off yet. A little.
The temperature's different here than it was at my house. Okay. About like this. Let's just vamp on a C, then I'll start. Carmine will show off some of his volume control knob. Out my door, the leaves are falling. A cold wild wind will come. Sweethearts walk by together, and I still miss someone. Well, I wonder if she's sorry for leaving what we had begun. There's someone for me somewhere, but I still miss someone. Oh, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me when all the love was there. Play something pretty, Carmine. Oh, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them
That's a nice song, and you do it well. Did a good job on that. What do you got now? Do another one.
Another one? I'll do another acoustic one. How about, we're in D now. Old-fashioned love.
Do it.
You took your Bob Wills poster down again. Did you have Bob Wills up there somewhere?
I don't think I ever had Bob Wills.
Oh,
Got
okay.
Merle and all
I'll
those
bring
guys.
you one.
I only got one guy this week left.
Okay. Got that old-fashioned love in my heart, and nothing can tear us apart. Dry land may turn to sea, but there'll be no change in me. Got that old-fashioned love in my heart, got that old-fashioned faith in my heart, and that it will always remain. Like an ivy clinging vine, clinging closer all the time through these years and these years just the same. Got that old-fashioned faith in my heart, and nothing will tear us apart. Dry land may turn to sea, but there'll be no change in me. Got that old-fashioned love in my heart. Okay, Carmine, be lovely. Susie Boggess did that.
Oh, she's a sweetheart.
That was a good one.
I saw Merle do that.
Oh,
I saw
yeah.
it on YouTube, so I think it's a good
Great song.
We never played it till tonight, but you can hear that turnaround, and I'm not sure exactly.
It took me a while. But
Yeah,
I figured it
1,000%
out.
what it was, but it just kind of goes around the horn. So
But then it went a little longer one
Pretty-
time.
yeah, it did. It did.
So that was happening.
So one was longer and shorter. We're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and we got Bart for a guest out of us this week, and you're doing a fine job. Love having you. He came up last week, worked the camera for us, jumped up on stage. I called him up and we played a little thing and he started singing and we turned it into a song. And it was fun.
And recorded it and it's available on the
It's
link
available
below.
on eBaby. Is that what it is? eBaby and Amazon and what happened to Wallett's Music City in the corner of Sunset and Vine? We used to go by there. I went to a big Catholic school there in 1955, and we used to go by Wallet Music City. I was like 12 years old, and you go to the counter guy and say, "Can I have Wake Up Little Susie by the Everly Brothers or whatever it was hit at that." And he would give you the 45, and you'd go into a booth, and they had a record player there with headphones, and you put them on, you get to listen to the songs for nothing. Yep. And then you'd bring it back all scratched, screwed up. Guys say, thank you. We never bought anything. They would let you listen to the records. It was great. Wallett's Music City, Sunset and Vine. My dad bought a beautiful 175 Gibson there, 1956, brand new, beautiful guitar. Unbelievable. Anyway, okay. So you just did one, right? Oh, Paul just did. Who just did? You did. No, he did. Your turn.
We all did it, but I sang it.
You sang the last song, the
I
Merle
sang the
Haggard
last
song.
one.
Great
Somebody
song.
else's turn.
Okay.
Well, we came out west together with a common desire. The fever we shared might have set the West Coast on fire. 2 months later, got a trouble in mind. Maggie moved out and left me behind, but it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. The way she left me to turn my head around. Seemed like overnight she just up and put me down. Ain't gonna let it bother me today. I've been working and I'm too tired anyway. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight. I got 2 more bottles of wine. I'm 1,600 miles from the people I know. I've been doing all I can, but I'm about to sure come slow. Ain't gonna let it bother me today. I've been working and I'm too tired anyway. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight. I got 2 more bottles of wine.
Got 5 minutes, 4 minutes, so you, the
That's
guest
3 songs.
artist has to do the closers. So
All
you
right.
got the last song of the night. Thanks for coming up. You look great. You sound great.
Thank you. You look sharp.
We
yourself.
appreciate it.
Carmen
I do-
Sinatra.
I usually wear my other hat. If I have it on straight, I don't even know if it's on right, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, Kim, thank you for all the hard work you did today. Yvonne, thank you for being our audience. We appreciate it. You did something. Anyway, Paul,
Yes, sir.
I'll see you next Sunday.
Okay,
We're gonna have a
next Sunday, noon,
regular time.
regular
You
time.
get to sleep in.
6 o'clock, all right.
All right, baby. Regular time.
You know
And make
what?
sure you come up just to join and add to the fun if you guys are available. We'd love to have you.
You know it.
Okay, babe. Go.
You know why I'm gonna do the song?
What?
Just because.
Okay.
In G. Well, just because you think that you're so pretty, just because your mama thinks you're hot, just because you think that you got something that nobody else has got, just because you took all my money, you like to call me all forgot what I was going to say. Because...
I can't jump like that. I'll hurt myself if I jump like that. Hey, see you next week, folks. That was a lot of fun. Come to the party next week. We'll have some fun.